Hi guys, how are y'all doing? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be talking about some hair that I was sent by a company. So these are some goddess box braids, some 14-inch goddess box braids that was sent to me by an Amazon store, an Amazon company called Diha Beauty. So before y'all ask if Diha be giving me all the hair, I made a mistake in my last video. Diha Beauty didn't send me those last hairs. They were sent to me by a different company, which I will link down below. So I will link that store down below, as well as Diha Beauty down below, because they were kind enough to send me these 14-inch goddess box braids. So guys, let's talk color. I got these hairs in the color or the shade 1B, which is a color that I usually opt for anyway when I'm doing braided styles or crochet styles. Yeah, so I prefer to get a 1B because it looks more natural as opposed to a full jet black, which is a number 1. So yeah, in terms of length, the hair is 14 inches and it falls pretty low, so I was very shocked, very surprised by that. Yeah, this is where the hair drops. So it's 14 inches in the color 1B. Now I'm not a fan of crochet hair. I would have said this in my previous video or in one of my previous videos, but listen, this is giving me like a weave type vibe, a sewing type vibe. I don't know if it's like the curly parts of the hair, but I really like this. Install was pretty annoying. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. Install was very annoying, but it got done. Not by me though, because I was ready to throw in the towel. But luckily, I was able to, ask my sister, and she was generous enough to help, to assist. So yeah, in terms of install, I didn't really dig install because, again, I don't like crochet. Guys, not me saying I don't like crochet hair, and these things are growing on me. Oh my gosh. I am so feeling myself in this hairstyle. I love it. Here, I kind of did the braiding pattern a bit too tight, so it was hard for me to pass the hair under, which I would tell you guys more about the braiding pattern later in the video. Okay, so I was sent 8 packs of hair by this company, and I ended up only needing 5. So I have 3 packs of hair remaining and about 3 to 4 strands. So I use 4 packs and approximately 12 to 13 strands. Each pack comes with 16 strands of crochet hair. So there's that. I thought initially it was 12, but it actually came with 16 strands of hair. So a pack really went a long way. I was super surprised about that, and I appreciated the fact that it was 16 and not 12. So yeah, I opted for a half up, half down look, just because I've been kind of digging that of late. Yeah, so this is how I'm choosing to rock the style. It's very full, very light. So it's very light, but it's very full at the same time. I was able to achieve this in my big head with only 5 packs. And this time, I was able to get it distributed way better because I had eyes in the back of my head. My sister did the install, so she was able to cover everything that needed to be covered and help save, some hair, right? So this is what the hair looks like out of the pack. It's pretty tightly woven. The loop is pretty tightly woven, so I kind of have to do some work to get it open. But that aside, the hair is very well constructed. I was very surprised. I was expecting some flimsy hairs to come to me, but the hairs, they're very sturdy. The box braids, they could pass for 100. Like, they actually can pass for 100. Yeah, they're very properly and neatly constructed. So you have 3 different sections of the, the goddess piece, the piece that makes it the goddess braid. So there's 1, 2, and 1 at the end, 3. So there's a lot of coverage in this hairstyle just from the twirlies alone. It's a really good hair to, if you want a hairstyle that you use less hair, less is more. Yeah. So this is the epitome of less is more. In terms of versatility, I feel like this could be a pretty versatile style, but it has its limits. It would have its limits just because of the twirlies. I'm calling them twirlies. I feel like would fray easily. I've only had this hair in for a couple hours, so I haven't really had a chance to see if it would fray or anything. Plus, on top of that, I haven't had my chains on all day, but I know without a shadow of a doubt it would have tangled into the chains. Yeah, I kind of wanted to do this review a little different for you guys. I really hope it makes sense, because an install doesn't necessarily give you anything on the hair. So I just installed the hair off camera, and I decided to just let you guys know about the hair. Would I purchase this hair again? Probably not, but that's personal preference, because I don't like the fact that it was such a struggle for me, because I have super thick hair, to get a good braiding pattern to install the hair. So nice and cute and stuff like that. Yeah, so it was a struggle for me to find a good braiding pattern, and when I did actually find a good braiding pattern, it was a bit of a headache, because I had a lot of struggle passing the hair underneath. But again, that was probably my fault too, because I braided the pattern a little tight because I wanted it to appear neat. Probably my fault, so I can't really blame the company. But yeah, I probably won't purchase again because of that. But if we're going based off of looks, I would get this every time, guys. If we're going based off of looks, I would get this hair every damn time, because look at this. It's such an effortless style. It looks so good, but you hardly have to do any work. Just get your braiding pattern, install, and you're good to go. They did send me a crochet pin, some hair accessories, and 2 hair clips. I think I had the hair clips in at the beginning of the video, or I was filming another video and I had the hair clips in. I don't remember. I was being super productive today and I filmed 3 videos. Yay! So I'm super proud of that. Let me know down in the comment sections if you guys like this hair. It's very soft too, so I'm trying not to play with it too much, because I don't want it to get tangled or rumpled or rumpled. Yeah, so I really like the hair. The install alone was a turn off, but once I had someone to do it for me, hair kind of grew on me. Not kind of grew on me, it grew on me, because I really do like the hairstyle. And yeah, I will purchase again just because of the way it looks. But like I said, the install alone would make me not want to buy it again. But I mean, come on, it's hair made easy. It's a hairstyle made easy for you. So if you come across a few struggles here and there, like, I don't think that should be anything to, you know, put you off from getting the hair. Yeah, I really like it. Like I said, I think it's cute. It's very playful. You know, it can be dressed up and it can be dressed down. If you guys would like to see a video of me styling the hair, then let me know down in the comment section. I will be sure to hook you guys up. Like, just different styles that you can rock with this hair. Personally, I put this in and this is how it's gonna stay until I take it out, because once I find a style that I like, that's it. It stays in and we're good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I was trying something a little bit different. I hope what I had to say about the hair helped you. If you want to purchase, if it helps you make, you know, your decision and that type of stuff, I will link the hair company down in the description for you guys. I hope again you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in another.